Most self-improvement advice tells you what to do. Wake up early, work harder, stay disciplined. But nobody tells you the rules that quietly control your behavior. The rules that decide whether you procrastinate, overthink, stay consistent, or actually make progress. These are 5 laws that can completely change the way you approach self-improvement. 1. Parkinson's Law. Work expands to fill the time available for its completion. If you give yourself a month to learn a skill, you'll probably use the whole month. Give yourself one focused week, and you'll often get surprisingly close. Stop setting vague goals. Instead of, I'll work on coding today, try, I'll solve 3 problems in the next 45 minutes. Constraints create focus. Most people don't need more time. They need tighter deadlines. 2. The law of compounding. Small actions repeated consistently create massive outcomes. Self-improvement looks boring in the beginning because compounding is invisible. Don't ask, how can I change my life this month? Ask, what can I repeat for the next year? 20 minutes of reading, 1 workout, 1 coding session, 1 page written. Tiny actions become powerful when repeated. Consistency is what compounding looks like in real life. 3. Hanlon's razor. Never attribute to malice what can be explained by ignorance or carelessness. This sounds unrelated to self-improvement, but it saves an incredible amount of mental energy. Someone ignored your message? Maybe they're busy. Someone criticized your work? Maybe they're having a bad day. Someone got an opportunity instead of you? Maybe they were simply more prepared. Stop creating stories. Focus on reality. The less energy you waste on assumptions, the more energy you can invest in growth. 4. Goodhart's Law. When a measure becomes a target, it stops being a good measure. Don't chase metrics. Chase the thing the metric is trying to measure. Don't chase followers. Create valuable content. Don't chase study hours. Improve understanding. Don't chase gym attendance. Build strength. The scoreboard matters, but not more than the game. Focus on inputs. Let outputs take care of themselves.
The spotlight effect. People think everyone is watching them. In reality, most people are too busy thinking about themselves. Want to start a YouTube channel? Post. Want to go to the gym? Go. Want to speak up in class? Speak. The embarrassment you're afraid of exists mostly in your head. Your life gets bigger the moment you stop performing for imaginary judges.